time we've no control. If the sky is pink and white, if the ground is black and yellow, it's the same way you showed me. Nod my head on.
Interrupting real quick to talk to you about ExpressVPN. For the past couple years, I've been obsessed with Love Island, and I would have to wait 2 weeks to get the episodes on Hulu when I wanted to watch it live in action. But I couldn't access any of the websites because I was in the United States, so I downloaded a VPN. On top of that, it allows your information to be private from other people that can access your network. Maybe if you're in a public internet service, at a hotel, a coffee shop. So ExpressVPN does exactly that. It's also super easy to use. It's just one click of a button. There's a trusted server technology, so it doesn't store any of your personal information. To get ExpressVPN, there's a link down below in the description box. Once you click it, you can get 3 months of VPN service for free. Happy browsing. Hi everyone.
Chilled out, just in terms of saying yes.
Hello. Yeah, this is Jay. Oh, we're watching Monet.
Yes to a campaign today.
We're taking our hair out because it's just time.
Being due the
same
week.
We only got a few more back here.
Oh yeah.
This can't be that, but like,
let's do a close-up shot.
Here we go.
And this is the bag of goodies right here. And when did we start? Like I want to say 1.
Yeah.
We started at 1. It's now 3:48. So
okay,
good 3. We said 3 hours. No, I'm going on 4. But
you know what I'm saying? It's like
that's true. Wow, okay.
And then we're gonna sleep over in the condo.
Inches.
It's
giving inches.
Look at that. Look at that.
Giving hang
that hair pull. Here we are. Finished look.
4 good hours later. And I'm literally going on a double date like this right now.
As you should.
But I feel like it grew, to be honest. Well, I always think that when I take my hair.
Cute.
Thanks. I definitely feel like after my first silk press, my hair just never felt the same. And every time I say that to someone, they're like, no, one silk press should never do that. But I'm like, I know how my hair curled up a curl. Like, I know how it retained moisture. I just know how it used to be, and it just doesn't feel the same anymore. Is that gonna stop me from getting another one? Absolutely not. I just kind of want like a nice, easy, fresh, like hairstyle for the spring. Not for the spring, but you know, for like this little spring reset. So let's go get my nails done. I also don't know where I'm going to get my nails done, so that's a bit of a problem. I do have my reservations about going out with a bonnet, but I actually don't care. And this bonnet is cute. Like, this bonnet is cute. You can't tell me it's not cute. Like, it's cute. So although I am a bit iffy about it, I'm like, it's cute. Like, it's not like an ugly bonnet. It's gorge. So I spent all morning like trying to go to, well, trying to find a nail salon to go to. But the beauty of New York City is that you can just walk outside and everything is everywhere. Like, you can just walk outside and go anywhere. And I feel like I need to stop overthinking things, especially because I live in this city. Like, I came here because there's so much to do. So if I want to get my nails done, just look around instead of like trying to find like the best ones somewhere in Soho for like $85 when I could I'm just getting a polish. Like, I just want a manicure and a polish. So I think I shouldn't overthink that. So I'm going to this place that's literally a 5-minute walk from my place. I am getting my silk press now. I don't like it when they're like, oh, you should get this and this and this. I just hate when I come for one thing and they're like, oh, you should get this and this and this, and it's like an extra $50, and I'm like, I can't, I don't know how to say no. Oh my gosh, what happened to my edges? No. Oh no. Oh no.
I haven't seen you in a while, you know I miss you, babe. When you hear this,
Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Put your hands in it. Shake it out, good.
that I could see it more.
I just look like a clean, like, cute little... You know what the silk press lady told me? She saw my live screen. She was like, why do all my clients have white boyfriends? I was like, babes. But yeah, nails are done. Hair looks good. I'm feeling good. About to have dinner. And spring is off to a good start. What are you painting?
The cross.
But can you explain this painting to the vlog?
I am painting Revelation 19:11 through 13, where Jesus is coming for the second time on a horse. His robe is white and dipped in blood. He has a name written on his thigh that only he knows. He has a sword in his mouth, and he is coming with the army to defeat the beast at the end of the world.
Wow.
Jesus will fight for you in the holy battle.
I love it. It's so strange
What?
putting like the pieces of New York City together. Like I'll just wander somewhere and be like, oh my gosh, this was where it was.
It's true.
But like when I was there, I didn't know anything. I had no sense of direction or anything. Wait, was it here then? Or was it that other place? Why do I feel like it was here? Yeah, I think it was here. Fun. That was Lucas and I's first hangout.
Oh yeah, we went dancing.
We went dancing at the party.
It's crazy how like it's so true that when you're in New York, for the first while, you don't even know where you were going or what you were doing.
Never.
And as you've been there later, you come back, you're like, oh, so this is where I was. Like
Yeah.
I've done that too many times.
Yeah, it really trips me up. I'm like, wow, like okay, it was here. But like in the moment, like everything seemed so foreign to me that I couldn't
and
piece
far.
it.
It
Yeah.
seems like everything is so far.
Yeah.
Then
So
that's because you're not
true.
used to walking yet.
True.
That's why.
And also because we were just like taking an Uber to one spot. So when you're in the vicinity and you're like walking around and you just wonder, you're like, oh, like I took the train just to come here, or I took the
Yeah.
Uber just to come here. But now I'm like just ended up here.
That was vague, but I know what you meant.
Yeah, it was a
Yeah,
big.
just, like, no, it was just funny because you were like, I took the train here and the Uber here, and then I just came here.
Late night. It's not even late night.
8 p.m.
Late night for us.
Yeah, late night for us.
New York City walks in the evening
Oh yeah.
in the Lower East
And
Side.
it's not cold at all. Weather is beautiful.
Yeah, it's very
Came
nice.
from Prince Tea House, matcha. You recorded that already, didn't you?
Yeah, I got some footage.
You have some serious skill behind the camera. I don't know how to look good like that. Like, I know I'm sexy as hell, but I don't know how to do it with the camera like that.
Thoughts on Prince Tea?
Delicious. The sandwich was fire. I want another one.
You look so good.
Thanks, man. But it was good.
It was very good.
Good sandwich.
That's Prince Tea twice in a row. Yeah. 2 nights in a row.
I would go again. Next time we go, we can get desserts, or we could go when we really want to ball out and get the tea thing and get like the little sandwiches like the family had.
It's 65.
I know, I saw.
Okay. Yeah, that would be nice.
It seems a little overpriced because everything else is pretty cheap.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like,
I guess I
expected
feel
that
like
to be 45.
I feel like you get all the desserts though, don't you?
Oh, you do?
I
Do you
know.
also get 2 teas?
I think so.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Coming all the way from London, say what, say what. I hope you guys are well. Today we are doing a 20-minute full body workout, Pilates, at home for beginners. And let's get started. We're pulling the belly button in, we're flattening that lower back. The feet are flat on the mat, facing the front. Exhale, hold it, push the hips up, and then roll back down again. Moving one exhale up, back into tabletop. Press the hands and the back of the arms into the mat. A little bit in this bridge. We're going to progress from earlier. I'm going to bring the right foot off the mat.
The winter is bony and rough here. Put cream in your cup, then blow steam off the cup. We walk down Francis, hit the 7-Eleven near campus, holding hands like some kids. Then we wait till sunset, hit the liquor store on Summer. The neighbor's dog barks from the trailer. Oh, Violet, would you wait around with me? I'm begging you, Violet. Would you stay?
Outfit of the day. I'm really feeling like this green today, but honestly because today marks the beginning of spring, I'm feeling bloom, I'm feeling green, I'm feeling plants, I'm feeling growth. Speaking of plants, we're gonna go get one today. Just one, small one. Because I've been wanting a real plant, like that is fake, I've been wanting a real one. And I think what better time to get it than when spring has finally begun. Let me show you my outfit though. I feel like this is just like a go-to, never failed me outfit. These pants never fail me. This black long sleeve and like knit combo never failed me. And now I'm realizing like I love this little hair. Like I've done it twice in a row now. I need to curl like this part though, but still hasn't failed me. This go-to makeup look hasn't failed me. God hasn't failed me. So I think today is just like a successful day because nothing is failing. I need to edit a YouTube video though and post today, so I'm gonna do that right now. I'm just gonna get on, start editing. I have an exterminator coming in today at some point, so I'm just gonna stay home and like wait till he gets here. And then after that, I'm gonna leave my house and go work elsewhere, but I'm just like waiting for him to get here. Because there's a mouse in my apartment. I don't even want to talk about it. And we just need to find that little dirty rat. So, happy spring. I hope you're doing okay. Today, we're finally going to get myself a little real plant to celebrate spring. Hopefully, I can get something for under $20. But a really nice plant, and maybe I'll learn all about it and treat it well. Okay, let's go.
The sunset look violet. Your hair and your thighs are wet. Kiss you on the neck. Violet. violet. You got my shirt, see you.
So, for example, you're gonna kind of want to just tip it out.
Okay.
And if you don't see like roots kind of twirling around,
Yeah.
then you're good. So
Okay.
once like the roots start sort of going in a circular motion, it's like root bound.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Okay.
Okay, see this guy right here? So this is a ponytail palm. It's like a stump. It's not really, you know, like a regular plant. But I would say about like this diameter. When it
Okay,
gets
okay.
like that, it's kind of time.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
I see what you mean.
Nice and moist, like how it feels right now. Not like soaking wet, but just wet. And if you feel like you've watered too much, just kind of give the pot a like.
In your car, I put punching back in the yard. The laundry room flood from the rain. Whistling,
Give it a name.
I kiss you again.
Yeah, it definitely deserves a pretty name.
Down the back roads and put up slow. We driving slow, windows are low. Tires are slick from the snow, and I think of you, Violet.
1634.
Wait around with me, I'm begging you, Violet.
Thank you. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Enjoy.
The sunset look violet.